Okay, dear students, we are in determinants 4.2. Now we start 4.2 exercise. Why? Because in the last class we have finished all the concepts which are required for doing this 4.2 exercise. Okay, let us do one by one. See what they have written first. Let us understand the question. Exercise 4.2. Using the property of determinants and without expanding, prove that this determinant we have to prove as 0. See, carefully observe here what they have written. Using the property of determinants and without expanding. That means, see, with expanding you can do easily plus x into something minus a into something plus x plus a into something. If you write automatically, this is going to become 0. But by expansion, you should not do. With the property of determinants, you have to use. How many properties are there? 6 properties are there. Okay. Among 6 properties, which property, how many properties are giving 0? Only one property is giving 0. Which is that property? Any row or column, 2 rows or 2 columns should be identical. Then this is going to become 0. That is the only property. Okay. Any 2 rows, say R1 and R3, if 2 are identical, then this is going to become 0. Or R2 or R3, 2 are identical, this is going to become 0. Or C1 or C2 going to become 0. Same, identical. C1, C3, C2, C3, if any 2 rows or columns are identical, then this determinant is going to become 0. Then you have to make identical. Okay, that is one. And if not, what you can do? You see, if not, you can do all elements in any row or column zeros. That also is going to give 0. You see, like this, if you do, this also gives 0. Why? Because see, plus 0 into something, minus 0 into something, plus 0 into something, 0, 0, 0, all zeros means if any row or column all are 0, then that is going to become 0. That you have to keep in our understand. Okay, identical, one property, and all zeros means this is not a property. Everybody knows it. That is why this is not a property. If you make all zeros, then automatically the result is going to become 0. Okay, this is one. Another one, you see, he has written here without expanding. Now, when expanding came into picture, let us go back. Expanding came for 3 by 3 determinant only. 3 by 3. Okay. See, for 2 by 2, there is no expansion. AD minus BC. This is not called expansion. You understand? What else if I make this as A? If I make this as A, automatically A into AY minus BX. Like this you can write. But this is not going to be called as expansion. That you have to keep in our mind. Okay? One step answer this is. One step answer is not going to be considered as expansion. Expansion means 3 elements or any row or column. If you expand, then that is going to be called as expansion. That means what you have to make for becoming 0 or for becoming for making a result, at least all you make 0. If not possible, then 2 you make 0 and try for another 0. Okay, that is not going to be called as expansion. Like that you can do. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay, now go back to our problem. Okay, now you see what they have written. They have written like this. This is the determinant. LHS you are taking, RHS you have to show as 0. Okay, now you see XA, X plus A, YB, Y plus B, ZC, Z plus C they have given. But we know one property, splitting of any row or column. Now here one column we can split. While splitting remaining 2 columns, if you are splitting one column, the remaining 2 columns are same, but 2 determinants you can write. Okay, this property we know. Okay, now how I am writing, you see. Now X, Y, Z will be there, A, B, C will be there, but here first X, Y, Z I am taking, X, Y, Z. Okay, another determinant how I am writing? I am writing same X, Y, Z, again then ABC again. This time this is ABC again. Is it okay? Okay. XYZ ABC XYZ XYZ ABC ABC. Why? Because here see XYZ third column, ABC third column, two determinants separately I have made. Okay. Now you see here C1 is equal to C3, identical. C1 is equal to C3 and C2 is equal to C3. Okay. Then 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. Why? Because if identical determinants are there, sir, identical rows or columns are available, then the value of the determinant is 0. Here this is 0, here this is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Why? Because here XYZ, two identical are there, 0. ABC, two identical columns are there, 0. Okay, like this you have to do this answer. Okay, now without any expansion, we have come to conclusion or RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved like that you can write and close this question. Now let us go for second question. See, all questions up to 7 questions, this is the condition. Without expansion, you have to prove whatever they have given in RHS. Okay. Let us go for second question. Okay. See the second question also. This determinant you have to show as 0. 0 you have to prove. Okay. How can you prove? Same as I said, any one row, then identical you have to make another row. If identical rows are there or identical columns are there, then we can show it as 0. And another option is, or else you can make all zeros in any one row or any one column. You have to make all zeros. Okay. Is there any possibility of becoming 0? You first simply observe what is there. Let us see column wise and row wise. Column wise, if you see A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. If I make R1 plus R2 plus R3, A minus A 0 plus B minus B 0 plus C minus C 0. That means here 0 will come. R1 plus R2 plus R3 and I will write R1. Okay? Okay. Wherever you write, that is different thing. But once you write all elements, you have to write in that row only. Okay. Here also you see plus B minus C plus C minus A plus A. That means this also going to become 0. Plus C minus A minus B plus B. This also going to become 0. That means in any one row, all are zeros, means automatically answer is going to become 0. That's all. Simply. You understand now? Oh, okay. Let us write what I am writing, you see. What I am writing, you see. R1 is changing. Okay. What is that change? R1 plus R2 plus R3. Is it okay? Okay, you see how I am writing. That is equal to R1, what I am writing? A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. Is it okay? Here also you see B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. Okay, all I have added. Here also you see C minus A plus A minus B plus B minus C. Is it okay? See, R1 only we are changing. R2, R3 same you have to copy. Copy. B minus C, C minus A, C minus A minus B, A minus B, B minus C. Okay? Okay. Now go back again. You see, plus A minus B plus B plus C minus C. This is going to become 0. Here also you see plus B minus B plus C minus C plus A minus A 0. Plus A minus A plus B minus B plus C minus C 0. Okay. Then you write B minus C, C minus A, C minus A minus B, A minus B, B minus C. That is equal to 0. Okay, you may ask, sir, without expansion, how you are now going to see? If all three rows comes, all three elements in any row or column comes 0, then you need not expand, directly you can write 0. Okay, that means, see, if you are able to make, you make identical ones. If you are not able to make identical rows or columns, then you make zeros. Okay, you understand now? Is it okay? Why? Because all I have added and put in one row. All I have added and put in one row. All I have added and put in one row. Let us go for third question. See the third question. This also determinant we have to prove as 0, but you see what they have written: 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. Why I have read rather than row I have read column? Why? Because see, column is identical a little bit. You see 2, 3, 5 change is less. If you go in the right side, our row 2, 7, 65 is difference is much. That is why I am reading 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. This is logical. Okay, now you have to make this as 0. How can you make this 0? Here 3 zeros are not going to happen. Not going to, suppose, not going to happen. Then how can you convert it into 0? This is determinant. How can you prove this? Okay, one logic is there. You see here 2, 3, 5. Here also I want to make 2, 3, 5 by splitting 63 plus 2, 75, 72 plus 3, 81 plus 5. Like that shall I make? Then 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5 will come. Two determinants will become. See, 63 means 7 into 9, 8 into 9, 9 into 9. Like that you can make. Then 9 you can take common. Like that you have to think. Okay? Let us do first. You see how I am doing? You see. That is equal to, I am splitting this determinant. You see 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Until this, okay. But now you see how I am making. Here 2 is there, na? Then 2 plus 63. Here 3 is there, na? 3 plus 72. Here 5 is there, then 5 plus 81. Is it okay? First you see. 5 plus 81, 86. 3 plus 72, 75. 2 plus 63, 65. Okay. Why I have made such type of split? Why? Because 2, 3, 5 here also there. 2, 3, 5 we can make. First let us make this. You see how I am making. This side I am writing. You see. But you have to write down. Okay. You see 2 determinants you can write 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 5. Okay. This is one determinant. Plus another determinant, because this plus is there. Another plus. This property you have read already. Then again same 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. But this time 63, 72, 81. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because see, 2 determinants have become, but 65 rather than 65, 63 plus 2, 72 plus 3, 81 plus 5. Like that we have made 2 determinants. Now you tell me here C1 and C3 both are equal. Then this is going to become 0. Now what I am writing, you see. C1 is equal to C3 in delta 1. Say this is delta 1, this is delta 2. Okay. C1 is equal to C3. But we are not talking about delta 2. Only C1 is equal to C3 in delta 1. Then how I am making, you see, 0 plus, why? Because this has become 0. C1 is equal to C3 means this 0. Now again I am splitting this. This, how I am splitting, you see, 2, 3, 5, okay, 7, 8, 9, okay. Now you see, you are having 2 options. That elements, those elements also you take common such that 2, 3, 5 has to come. If not possible, then 7, 8, 9 has to come. If some number you have to take common. Why? Because we know multiplication with scalar k into means any row or column you can multiply. I am multiplying like a row, then I will take it out. Okay, divide multiplication like. Okay. Now you see 63, 72, 81. Which one you can take common? In which table it comes? 63. 7 9s are 63. Okay. Then again in 772 how it comes? No. Then 9 sevens are 63, okay. 9 eights are 72, okay. 9 nines are 81. That means 9 table is there. You can take 9 as common. Now what I am doing, you see. 7 is there now, okay. 7 into 9, 8 is there now, okay. 8 into 9, 9 is there now, okay. 9 into 9. Why? Because see, 9 I have taken common. 7 nines are 63, 8 nines are 72, 9 nines are 81. You understand now? Okay. Now you tell me, if don't see this, if you want to multiply with any scalar k or 9, what you are going to do? You are going to multiply any row or any column. Here I think we think we have multiplied this column. Then we will take it out. That's all. Okay. How it becomes? You see, now 0 you need not write. You take this 9 outside. Again you write 2, 3, 5. Okay. 7, 8, 9. Okay, and 7, 8, 9 again. Why? Because 9 has come outside. 9 has come outside. Okay. Now you tell me C1, C2, C3 are equal. Then this is going to become 0. 0 into 9 is 0. That's all. You write C2 is equal to C3. Therefore, delta, final delta is equal to 0. Why? Because 0 into 9 is 0. That's all. Okay. Now LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Like that you can write and close this question. You understand, na? Like that you have to think. See, this will come with practice only. Number of times you have to do practice. See, all exercise questions I am doing, but all examples in NCERT book, you have to try. You will try. Why? Because see, all answers are there, solutions are there in your NCERT book. Why can't you try? You try. Okay, it is better. Let us go for fourth question. Okay. Now see the fourth question. Say fourth question also you have to prove this as 0. Then what are the options as per properties? Either you make another row or column equal, same, identical, or else you make all zeros. Any one you can do. That means see, if another column comes 1, 1, 1, then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, C1 is equal to C3 or C1 is equal to C2, like you can write, and 0 you can write. Or else what you have to do? Another column you have to make BC, CA, AB. BC, CA, AB, I don't think it is going to become. See, BC here, another area, another, rather than equal. Here BC has to come. But here BC comes means that is not going to give your answer. That you keep in your mind. Understand now? See, until you expand this, you are not, see, I know this answer, but I cannot say that by knowingly I cannot do this question. If I do such that, you are not going to get ideas. Just like you are thinking in me, like that you have to think. See how I am thinking, then you are also thinking with me. Let me expand this. Okay, let me expand and see. See, all these answers I know, but I don't do by knowing these problems like, but trying these answers like I will do, then you are going to get ideas. Okay, see how I am doing. See, one option is I will expand this and see. Let us see. Okay, I am expanding. You see, here I am expanding. 1, 1, 1, BC, CA, AB, AB plus AC. AB plus AC. Why? Because AB plus AC. And BC plus BA. BA or AB. BC plus AB or BA. Okay. And AC plus BC. Is it okay? AC plus AB. BC plus AB. AB plus AC. Okay. Now, just you think AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA. All are there. That means C1 and C2 if you add and write in any one column, then AB, BC, CA all are going to come in one column. Then AB plus BC plus CA, if you take it out as common, then 1, 1, 1 will come. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 are going to give you 0. Why? Because you want 0. Like that you have to do. See, until you expand this idea, you are not going to get. Trial and error, just let us expand, like you have to expand, then you have to think. See, now AB is there, BC is there, AC is there. AB is there, BC is there, AC is there. AB is there, BC is there, AC is there. Then you can add this C1 and C2 like that. You have to think. Such ideas will come after expansion only. Okay, now write down. What I am writing, you see, C3 is changing. Okay, what is that change? C2 plus C3. Okay, C2 plus C3 I am making and writing in C3. Okay, C1 and C2 no change. First let us write C1 and C2, that is equal to 1 1 1 BC CA AB. Now C2 plus C3. C2 is what? BC plus C3 what? AB plus AC. C3 is what? CA. Okay, plus BC plus AB. Now here also AB plus AC plus BC. Okay. Now you tell me all three are equal or not. You see, AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC, AB plus BC plus AC. That's all. Then you can take common AB plus BC plus AC from this column. Then this column is going to become 1 1 1. Is it okay? Yes. Take it out. What I am taking? AB plus BC plus CA. If I take outside as a common, okay, then this column anyway is 1 1 1, but this column is BC, CA and AB, but third column is going to become 1 1 1. Why? Because from here AB plus BC plus CA we have taken common. Okay, if you multiply with like scalar, you think if you multiply this like scalar into k, then you can multiply this row, this column, entire column. Okay, now you tell me C1 is equal to C3, 0, that's all. 0 into something is 0. Okay, write down what you are writing, like this you are writing. As C1 is equal to C3, therefore delta is equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, 0 into AB into BC plus CA is also 0. Hence, RHS is equal to 0. Hence, prove like that you can write. Okay. In such a way, you have to think and do these questions. Okay. Let us go for fifth question. See the fifth question. Here, they are not asking us to prove 0. You see, carefully you have to observe here. Here something is there. 2 into APX, BQY, CZR, or else ABC, PQR, XYZ you can read. Column wise also you can read 2 times of this one. You have to prove. This determinant they have given. How to prove that? 0 means you may think in different way, but now you need not prove 0, but something you have to. That means you have to bring this determinant as this. Okay? Then just imagine how to do this. Simple logic, you see, 2 is there here. That is going to give some idea, route, direction. 2 is there outside. What is the direction? See, B, B, C, C, A. If you add this R1 plus, C1 plus C2 plus C3. No. R1 plus R2 plus R3 and write in R1. Then 2B, 2C, 2A will come. Then again, you can write A, B, C common and 2 you can take out common. Okay, like this all will come. Okay, first row. From first row 2 you are going to take common. This take common. Afterwards we will see what will happen. Okay, first this much you have to do. Then only you can do further. Don't see, you may not or you don't think up to ending of this question. Direction you think. Afterwards, after first step again, what is the next step like you can think. That is correct. Okay, correct procedure. Let us do how I am doing, you see. How I am doing. Okay, now what I am writing? LHS only I am taking. RHS you have to prove. Okay. Okay. R1 I am changing. Okay, R1. What is that change? R1 plus R2 plus R3 I am writing. Is it okay? Okay. Now you write all. Right here. That is equal to. Okay. B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. Okay. Q plus R plus P plus P plus Q. Okay. Y plus Z plus X plus X plus Y. Okay. R1, R2, R3 I have added, but in R1 I have written. Okay. Now remaining are same. You write C plus A plus B, R plus P, P plus Q, Z plus X, X plus Y. Is it okay now? Okay. Now you see carefully. B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C, A plus A 2A. Now how can you convert this? You can convert like this, you see. That is equal to 2 times of A plus B plus C. Is it okay? 2A plus 2B plus 2C. 2A, 2B, 2C. Okay. And again 2 times of P plus Q plus R. 2P, 2Q, 2R. 2 times of X plus Y plus Z. 2X, 2Y, 2Z. You see 2X, 2Y, 2Z. Okay. And C plus A, no change. Here. Remaining not changed. Okay. Okay. But even then, you are not going to get the answer that much easily. You have to, further steps are there. Now you see, from row 1, you can take common 2 outside. 50% of your answer is going to come. You see here 2 common is there. Okay. Let us do it. Let us do it here. You see that is equal to 2 I have taken common. 2 I have taken common. Okay. But you see A plus B plus C. Okay. A plus B plus C. P plus Q plus R. P plus Q plus R. We don't have space there. Okay. Okay. Now wait. See what we have to prove RHS. I am writing this corner here. Or else we are having space here. I am writing here. And we will do further top. Okay. See what I am writing. 2 into APX or ABC PQR XYZ you have to prove. Okay. This you have to prove. I am removing these two rows. Afterwards we are doing top. Okay. Let us do. See, for notes and all, you pass and write down these notes. This is enough. What you have to do, you do my notes, whatever I have written, pass and write down these notes, and concepts also explained very clearly with examples, even proofs also I have given. That you note down by passing this. Afterwards, what you have to do in your notebook, examples are there in your NCERT book. Those examples you do. These two are enough for you for board consideration. For IIT JEE and all, next year we are going to start more concepts and all. There you can get further. Okay. Take as less as possible these notes. Okay. Now you see 2 I am taking common from row 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. After taking 2, A plus B plus C and C plus A and A plus B from first column. Second column P plus Q plus R, then R plus P, then P plus Q. Okay. Third column X plus Y plus Z, Z plus X, X plus Y. Okay. Is it okay? You see 2 I have taken outside. If I want to multiply 2, now you can multiply column also or any row. Second row, third row, fourth row, anything you can do. Again, when you want to multiply. Okay. Now you see what I am doing. Now you see. See what you want. Now onwards you further towards the answer you do the solution. You see APX you want, BQY you want, CRZ you want. Okay. Or else ABC, PQR, XYZ you want. See here, A plus B plus C, 3 are there. C plus A plus B. From R1, R2 I will deduct. R1 minus R2. Then you see A, C going to get cancelled. Only B is going to left there. Only B. Towards the direction of your answer, it is helpful. Okay. Then here A, here B will come. Here some other only one single element are going to come. Afterwards we will see further anything can be done or not. Like that only you have to think. Okay. See how I am doing. See, R1 is changing. Okay. What is that change? R1 minus R2. R1 is changing. Then what is that change? R1 minus R2. Okay. Now you write down 2. Okay. See, A plus B plus C minus C. You see, A plus B plus C minus C plus A. Minus C plus A. Okay. That means A plus B plus C minus A. Then B only will come. Understand? Yes. Okay. B. Here also you see R plus P is there. Then Q only will come here. Q. Okay. Here also you say Z plus X is there. Z plus X. Then Y only will come. Y. But what about second row? Second row same will come. C plus A. R plus P. Z plus X. Third row same. A plus B. P plus Q. X plus Y. Okay. Now you see 2 is there. Okay, 2 is there. BQY is there. Yes, BQY is there. We will see afterwards. Why? Because see row we can interchange, but by putting minus symbol outside. Okay, we can interchange. We will do this afterwards. But now you see, again you see here B is there. Here B is there. Can we subtract this row 1 from row 2 and write in row 1, row 3? R3 minus R1, but change in R3. A plus B minus B. B going to get cancelled. A will be there. Then A you write in R3. Okay. Write down that. You see what I am writing. Okay. Change is in R3. Okay. What is the change? R3 minus R2. R3 minus R1. Sorry. R1. R3 minus R1. A plus B minus B. My plus B minus B going to get cancelled. Okay. Now you write down. See. 2 outside like that only, and R3 only changing, R1 and R2 same. Then you write R1 B, and here also Q, here also Y, here also C plus A, here also R plus P, here also Z plus X. Now you see A plus B minus B, A, P plus Q minus Q, P, X plus Y minus Y, X. Is it okay? Okay. R3 minus R1 you have done and write written in R3. Okay, this also over. Like matrices only we have done here. Okay, now let us do remaining. Now you see A is there, A is there. You can remove A. C only will left. R2 minus R3 and write in R2. Write down. What I am writing, you see, that is equal to R2 is changing. Okay, what is that change? R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3 you are doing and writing in R2. Okay, first you write outside 2. Okay. R1 is change? No. B, Q, Y. R2, yes, R2 change. What is the change? R2 minus R3. C plus A minus A. A plus A minus A going to get cancelled. C will come. Okay. PP going to get cancelled, R will come. Okay. XS going to get cancelled, Z will come. Okay. APX will be same. Okay. Now you see 99% or 90% your answer has come. You see 2 into single elements are there. ABC, PQR, XYZ has to come. ABC, PQR, XYZ. But in different position they have come. Now you can change this position. R1 and R3 you can interchange. Why? Because see R1 first to R1 APX has to come. APX should go to R1. Then R1 and R3 you interchange by putting minus outside. Okay. Let us do it. I am going to remove this. Pass and note down this. Okay. Now what I am doing, you see. See, R1, R3, double arrow. That means interchange. R1 to R3, R3 to R1. R1 to R3, R3 to R1. Okay. Okay. That is equal to, you see now here, minus sign will come. Minus sign will come. Why? Because we are interchanging any two rows or two columns, then minus sign will come. Minus sign or symbol. Okay. Minus I am keeping. And this APX will go to first column, first row. APX. Okay. And CRZ in second column only, second row only, CRZ. But this will come in third. Why? Because 1 and 3 only we are changing. B, Q, Y. Is it okay? Okay, now you see APX is there. Yes, APX is there. But CRZ should come in second place. Second place, it will, if wants to come again, you have to interchange. While interchange, you have to take minus outside. Minus already is there. Minus minus plus. Plus 2 will come. Then you are going to get this answer. Okay. Let us write now. You see. Now what I am writing, that is equal to R2 and R3 I am interchanging. R2 and R3. You see. R2 and R3 I am interchanging. Okay. Now this minus of minus, then plus will come. Or else I will write like this. Why? Because first minus is there, then again it has become plus 2. Okay. Now R1 there is no change. First you write R1 APX. Then BQI you have to write in second. Okay. And CRZ you have to write in third. Okay. Now RHS has come. Okay. Like this you have to solve this question. Okay. Let us go for sixth question. Okay. Let us see the sixth question. Sixth question, what they have given. We have to prove 0. This determinant. 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0. See, if it is not determinant, if it is a matrix, you see it is a skew symmetric matrix. All diagonals are 0. A minus B B minus C C. Okay, opposite. Same value, opposite symbol, skew symmetric matrix. This we have to show as 0, and without expanding we have to show. Okay, with expanding means easily we can show. With expanding easily we can show, but without expanding, by using the properties of determinants, we have to show this as 0. Let us see how we have done earlier questions like that. Only we will continue. Okay, you see now what can we do? You make all 3 zeros in any row or column, or at least you make 2 zeros and you try to solve this with one step. Okay, you see what is there here? Minus A minus C B C. What I want to do, I want to multiply with B and I want to multiply with A. Then minus AB plus AB. Both I will add and write in R2. Then this is going to become 0. Then let me see. Okay. See, for multiplying this, then I have to counter divided by also outside. So like that we will do. Okay. Let us do it. You see how I am doing. Okay. See what I am doing, you see. AB by AB. That means AB by AB means 1 only. I am taking 0 A minus B. Okay, now this B I am sending inside. First B. Okay. If I send B, is it okay? Now I am removing this B. Minus AB 0 minus BC. Okay. Now also you see B is there, but I am sending this A inside. Then 1 it is going to become here. Then again it is become AB and AC. Why? Because AB, AC 0. Is it okay first you see? Why? Because same. See, AB by AB I have taken outside. AB by AB is 1. 1 into something is 1 only. Same value will be there. But A I have sent, B I have sent inside. Then AB divided by AB will be outside. Okay. Now what I want to do, R2 plus R3 and writing in R2. Okay. Okay. Now you see what I am doing. Change is in R2. Okay. What is that change? R2 plus R3. What about R1? There is no change. Then you write 0 A minus B. Minus AB plus AB. 0. 0 plus AC. AC. Minus BC plus 0. Minus BC. Then R3 there is no change. Write down AB, AC, 0. Okay. Okay. Now you see two zeros are there, and we will take one step expansion. See here 1 by AB is there outside. That we should not forget. 1 by AB. 1 by AB into. Okay. Now we can do the remaining step. Only one single step. You see what I am doing. 1 by AB is there. Okay. Into. You see AB into. Why? Because this is plus AB only. Okay. AD minus BC. AD means what? Minus ABC. BC minus what? Minus of minus ABC. Is it okay? You see, minus ABC, but AD minus BC. AD minus of minus plus. Minus ABC plus ABC. That means 0. That means 1 by AB into 0, that is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have proved this as 0. Shall we go for 7th question? Okay. Okay. Now see the 7th question. Here we are not going to prove as 0. You see something is there. 4a square, b square, c square. You have to prove this. Little bit carefully how to apply here. Brain. Minus a square, ab, ac. ba minus b square, bc. ca, cb minus c square is there. See, first you study rows and columns separately. Then you imagine what is there. Any point is there to take it out, like that you think. You see a square, a. You can take a common. Why? Because b square, b. You can take b common. C square. You can take c common. Okay? Like that you have to think. Or else you see a square, a. You can take b square, b. B you can take c square. C you can take common. Okay? Like that. Why? Because see a square, b square, c square. At least first you take a, b, c common. Okay? Like that you have to do. Let us see how I am doing and all. Okay? Okay. The LHS is equal to, you write LHS. You see, A I have taken common. What will come? Minus A will come. B will come. C will come. Is it correct? First you see. From R1, A I have taken common. If you send this A again inside, you see A square, AB, AC. A square, AB, AC. Minus is there. Okay? That will happen. That means A I have taken. From second row, what I have to take? B I have to take. Then you write here B. Okay? Then you write here B already gone outside. Then A minus B, C. Is it okay? Okay. You see third C is there. Shall I take C outside? C I have taken common. Then C gone outside, that means A. Then C gone outside, that means B. Then C gone outside, that means minus C. Why? Because one C has gone. Is it okay? First you see. Definitely okay. Okay. Now you see what I do. Again you see, compare what is there. A. B. C. That means A again you can take outside. B again you can take outside. C again you can take outside. Then if you take A outside, A square it is going to become. Why? Because whatever the common you are taking, that is multiplication. You are taking common means what is that common? Multiplication. Multiplication means A into A square it is going to become. Like that you have to think. Okay? See what I am writing. All I am writing right side, but you have to write it down. Okay. Already A, B, C is there. Okay. Now I am taking common, column. You see minus A I am taking outside. Then A into A square. Okay. Then what will come here? Minus 1 will come. Is it okay? First you see. Why? Because A I have taken common. If send again A, automatically A will come. Minus A. Okay? Is it correct? Okay. Now see, from second column also B I have taken outside. That means B square. then 1 minus 1 1. Is it okay? Okay, if I send b again, it will come b minus b b, b minus b b. If I send outside, I have taken common. Common means square. B into b. Already b is there. B into b, b square. See, now c is there, but here inside c is there. C, if we take common, this is going to become c square. Then you take c square. What is going to become 1 1 minus 1? Write down 1 1 minus 1. Is it okay? First you see. 50% of your answer has come. You see a square, b square, c square, a square, b square, square. But 4 has to come. 4 how will come? 4 for 4 again you need not expand it. If you expand, then whatever examiner asked you to without expansion, that is not going to help you. Then what you are going to do? At least 2 zeros you have to make. Here 3 zeros if you make, 0 is going to become and your answer is going to become 0. No, here you have to make 2 zeros only. 2 zeros if you make any row or column, then with third one, direct one step you can write answer. Okay, that third direct one step 4 has to come. Why? Because a square, b square, c square has already come. 4 if it comes, 4 into a square, b square, c square you can write. Okay. Now how to make another 2 zeros in any row or column? You simply see here. Any idea who got? Have you got any idea? You see r1 plus r2 minus 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus minus 1 0, 1 plus 1 2. But these two are going to become zeros. Write in r1. You understand now? 2 zeros you get. Write down. Okay, see what I am writing. R1 is changing. Okay, what is the change? R1 plus R2. R1 is changing. R1 plus R2. R1, R2 we are adding and writing in R1. Okay, write down. See, outside a square, b square, c square is there. Okay, that is not going to change. But inside you see R1 plus R2 minus 1 plus 1 0. R1 plus R2 1 minus 1 0. 1 plus 1 2. R1 only changing, R2 and R3 same. Is it okay? Okay, now you see with a single one step 2 into 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 into 2, 4, 4 is going to come, 4 a square, b square, c square with one step. This is not called expansion. Okay, let us do it. See, that is equal to a square, b square, c square into 2 into 1 minus of minus plus 1. Is it okay? You see 2 into 1 plus 1. But in actually 1 minus 1 you have to write, but here minus is there already. That is a 1 plus 1, 2. See 2 into 2, 4. That is equal to 4 a square, b square, c square. Because 2 into 2, 4. 4 a square, b square, c square is going to come. This is your answer, RHS. Okay, you understand? See, like this concepts you have to apply and get the answer. Okay. See, we will stop this class here. 7 questions we have done. Remaining questions we will try to solve in next class. Okay. Thank you very much.